I just want y'all to know that I'm baking out here. See this red skin? This red skin is pretty and it burns. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Bonnie. And we're out here in the beautiful Cherokee County, right off of East Cherokee. And today we're taking a look at different properties. And this is what the 600s will get you. Look at this beautiful house.
Ta-da, let's go look.
Let's go look.
In today's exploration, we're going to check out a massive house that's on the market, located right here in Canton, Georgia. Considering a move to Canton, Georgia? Make sure to subscribe for updates to stay informed about life in Canton and the North Metro Atlanta region. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram under Bonnie Lilac, without spaces, dots, or hyphens. Now, without further delay, here are the details. This residence boasts 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths with a total area of 3,826 square feet. Constructed in 2002, it's currently priced at only $610,000, translating to around $159.44 per square foot. Now, if you're searching for a spacious home in Canton, Georgia, in the sought-after Woodmont Golf and Country Club neighborhood, located also in the coveted Creekview School District, then be sure to watch this video in full. If home tours like this appeal to you, subscribe to get more similar content. Remember to like the video and leave a comment. It's a big help. This supports our channel's growth on YouTube. Now, let me guide you through and let's proceed. Moving on. So as you know, I typically try to showcase everything, but sometimes it isn't feasible. For instance, this great home has a full basement with a half bath on the lower level, but it was unfinished space. So I didn't record it. Let's continue. Keep following. This way, please. we have a couple of bedrooms attached to a great Jack and Jill bathroom. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for completing this property tour. Interested in more tours like this in the Canton and surrounding areas? Feel free to subscribe. And don't forget to like. By subscribing, you'll get updates on similar content. Considering this home? Feel free to contact me. If this isn't quite right for you and you're without an agent in Atlanta, I'd be happy to consult with you. Start your home search with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next property tour.